Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to take you to a very new exciting place today. I thought I'll take you there once everything is done, but I also thought it might be useful to you if I can take you along throughout my journey. This is going to be a huge surprise for you as well. I'm stepping out after 6 months, so I'm totally excited about it. Let's get started. So we are on our way to our special place. This place is really close to our heart, and for the past 5 years we've been working to set this up. Welcome to our own house, guys. This is our brand new own house that we had bought long back. We wanted to show you guys this only when it has taken some shape. So only now the construction is over and it is in good shape now and ready for interiors. And we have visited this place today to check for all the measurements for interiors. The interior guy has also come. So we had a meeting here regarding my requirements and what can be accommodated in this space. So the first thing, as soon as you enter from the entrance, is the foyer area. And then comes the drawing room attached with the dining room. You can also call it the living room. So the drawing room and the dining room together is one long stretch. We don't have any partitions in between. If we want to create one, we can always create it. This is quite a big wash basin area for a 2-bedroom house, and there's also some storage space underneath the counter. And this is the provision space provided for fridge. And here there are separate plug points provided for dining table. So if we want to keep water heater or anything related to the dining, we can keep it here. And this is a very good balcony with a really nice view. We have 3 doors for this balcony. This is an open balcony with no grills provided. So I'm planning to put up a grill here because I have a small kid at home. As you can see, this is a high-rise apartment. I don't want to mention which floor we are in for safety purpose, but this is a high-rise building and Danton was very keen on buying a high-rise building and I left it to his choice. This playground that you see here is that of a school, and there are many good schools nearby, so we have good choices for Rayu's education. This area is one of the major prime areas in Chennai city, and we have all facilities in walkable distance. Schools, hospitals, supermarkets, shopping malls, everything is in walkable distance. You really don't need a vehicle to go anywhere. So we bought this house mainly for the location only. Hey guys, the interior guys came here and we had a discussion about an hour about where to place the objects and how to do the modular kitchen and the wardrobes and all that. It was so exciting. So at last the work has started here. And how do you like the house, guys? It's a 1,000 square feet apartment. I think it's like perfect for 3 people to live in this house, me, Dan and my child, only 3 of us. So I think the space is good enough and the house is well lit and spacious as well, and the view is amazing. Dan fell in love with this view when we first came to this house. So we bought this house 5 years back. It's been a really long time, but then this is the perfect time for us to do the interiors and move in. At last the time has come, and I'm going to take you through my journey and I'm going to show you about all the planning that I'm doing, all the new things that I'm buying for the house, all the new furnitures that we are going to put in, and all the design and all that. All of you are welcome to pour in your suggestions and ideas. Now let's go check out the kitchen and the bedrooms. So when you look into the house from the balcony, this is the view. When we are not in the house, all the balcony doors and the window doors has to be kept closed because a lot of pigeons come here. Since it's a high-rise building, it's very convenient for them to enter the house and actually put a family here. So we always keep it closed when we are not here. But when we are around, nothing disturbs us. The birds don't come in. But it's really a lovely sight to look at those birds. And this is the utility area inside the kitchen. The washing machine comes here, and I'm planning to keep a dishwasher on top, and on top of that I'm planning to keep some loft or mid unit or whatever, basically a storage space. So this is my idea for now. Because there is no provision for a dishwasher, I'm planning to keep it on top of the washing machine. If you have a dishwasher at home, please let me know in the comments where you've kept them and how convenient it is to use one. I feel dishwasher is really something important to me because I hate washing dishes. And as you can see, there is very good ventilation in this house, guys. This is the ventilation for the utility area. It's so tall, and again there's a huge window in the kitchen area which provides good light and good fresh air. And this is the sink that the builder has already given us. The provision for the gas cylinder is given on the other end, but I feel I can keep the hob near the sink itself. This place will be perfect to keep the gas stove and put a chimney on top. I don't want to keep my gas stove in the area that is provided by the builder. So as you can see, there's a hole here provided by the builder for the gas cylinder, but I want to move it near the sink area, which I think will be perfect. The interior company will be working out all my requirements according to the dimensions, and only after freezing the 3D model we'll start with the actual interior work. I feel I have very less space under the counter. I'm not sure what you feel. There is sufficient space on the right hand wall to create another slab and make it a 3-counter kitchen, but I'm not opting for it because I want enough space to move around in the kitchen. And I want to stand by the window and not obstruct the view. So this is another reason why I don't want an extra counter there. To compensate for it, I am going to extend the loft to this area to all the 3 walls and create a full unit over here. And also I'll be having a mid unit on top of the counter, so that is also going to get extended to the other wall as well. So I really hope I get enough storage. Now this is a nice corner place that I have outside the kitchen with plug points, so I'm thinking of putting a baking counter here. I'm going to create a tall baking cum crockery unit, so the underneath part will have full storage, and near the plug points I'll be placing my OTG oven, and on top of it I'm going to create a glass panel which will act as a crockery unit. This is the common bathroom outside the second bedroom. So the tiles I have chosen for this bathroom is light brown, like some leopard print, and for the shower area, this is like a set, guys. So if you choose the light brown tiles, this dark brown leopard print tiles also come together for the shower area. So I've chosen this set for this common bathroom, and again look at the ventilation. They've given such long big ventilation for this bathroom as well. I'm really impressed with the ventilation and the lighting of this house. And since this is a high-rise apartment, during summers there will be good airflow as well. The small space inside the bathroom on the left hand side can be utilized to hang mops and cleaners, dusters, broomsticks, etc. So I'm going to put a holder here. There are different kinds of holders available in Amazon. So you can just buy a holder here and stick it here, and you can hang your broomsticks and mopping sticks here. Now let's move into the kids' bedroom. This is Rayu's bedroom. So as soon as you enter the bedroom, you can see a very big double window for ventilation. Plug points are given here for study table or for ironing clothes, and this is the wardrobe section. I feel this wardrobe section is enough for his clothes, but I also feel that he needs more space for his toys and study materials. I have asked the interior company to design Ryan's room in space theme with space inspired bed and study table and some study cupboards and all that. So let's see how it turns out. All that has to be done in the 3D only. All the designing and everything will be done in the 3D, and it will be shown to me, and only when I'm okay with it, they'll freeze it and they'll tell me the final amount for the particular design. The grills are already provided for all the windows, and these grills are decent as well. It does not look like a jail grill. I'm happy about it. but the builders or the interiors will not be providing grills for the entrance door and for the balcony. So we have another dealer who deals with grills. So I'll be contacting him separately to finalize on the design of the grill. I'm looking for some modern design for the grills, guys. So if you know anyone or if you can share any design with me, I'll be really happy. So here comes my bedroom, which is the master bedroom. So on the right hand side they've given the wardrobe for the master bedroom. This wardrobe can hold 3 doors, that is 3 complete wardrobes. And next to that is a huge window again. Now this window has 3 doors, as you can see. In Ryan's room the window had only 2 doors, but this is even more bigger. This has 3 doors. And we can put a cot near the window, but I'm planning to put the cot on the other side and extend the wardrobe and have overhead storage above the bed as well. It seems according to Vastu you're not supposed to have overhead storage on top of the bed. It might create some rift in married life, people say, but we both don't believe in Vastu. If you guys believe in Vastu and if you feel it is really important and it has impacted people's life, then you can definitely share your thoughts with me. This is the attached bathroom in the master bedroom. And for this bathroom, as you can see, I have chosen zebra print tiles. This is not exactly zebra print, but the color combination is like that. It's white with grey with some like splashes on it. I really like this color because it lights up the bathroom so much. Again, there's a tall ventilation here. I didn't want to go for any dark colors in my house, so the entire house is gonna be white based with some other color mixed with it, so that it looks clean and neat and well lit all the time. So this bathroom is entirely white with grey and I really like it. This is the shower area, which has a darker color than the rest of the tiles, just like what you saw in the common bathroom. I do not want to have any shades of brown in my house. I know a lot of people opt for brown because it gives a very traditional aesthetic look, but I really didn't want to have any browns in my house. I don't know why. White gives a very nice feeling, and of course we are going to do POP and other paint works in the house along with the interior, so I'll be adding more color combinations along with white. I'm going to put a storage cupboard underneath this wash basin and put a really big mirror on top. I have asked for an LED mirror, but the interior guy suggested not to go for it as it might cause short circuits while taking bath and all that. So let's see how it works out. The interior company that I'm working with checks everything in terms of safety as well, so I'm really glad about it. So I have already spoken to the interior guys and they've given me a quotation based on the requirements that I had for this house. So I'll share everything with you guys. I'll share the cost of each and every product and each and every modular wardrobe that I'm going to make, so that it might be helpful for you. So if you like this house, please do mention it in the comment section. Now let's move on to the terrace area. Since this is a high-rise building, the terrace is not really functional. You can see a lot of wires running around and a lot of tanks and so many other items installed because there are more than 100 apartments in our block alone, and water has to be supplied to each and every apartment and all other things has to be taken care of. And since this is a high-rise building, you might wonder if it will be too hot during summers. No, it will not be hot because the terrace is chemically treated and they have already put layers and layers of I don't know, white cement or something else to prevent heat from entering the building. When we first visited this building before buying it, the terrace was not chemically treated and all the layers and layers of cement was not laid. So after doing all this and after all the treatment, we can really feel a huge difference in the amount of heat and how cool it is inside the house. So we're really happy about it that they have done something to reduce the heat.
சூப்பரா
பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சு உங்களுக்கு? சும்மா சொல்லக்கூடாது, வீடியோக்காக. நல்லா இருக்கு, சூப்பரா இருக்கு. ஏதாவது டிராபேக் சொல்லுங்க.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, இந்த சேனலுக்கு சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க.
சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. சப்ஸ்கிரைப் இல்ல, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் தான் சொல்றேன். பை.
This is the gym which is part of the clubhouse. The clubhouse has departmental store, gym and indoor gaming area. This is the first floor which houses the gym and the indoor gaming area, and the ground floor of the same clubhouse will be converted into a departmental store. Right now it is the office of this gated community, but it will be converted to departmental store later. I found some new updated brochures of our gated community, so I picked a few. And then outside this space, there was another room which I believe is the indoor gaming play area. This place is also not set up. As you can see, the cleaning work is yet to be done. This is where the treadmills will be put, I guess. They also said that they are going to conduct some aerobics classes. So there will be different timings for men and women. All these will be finalized only after the handover. As the electricity is still pending from the electricity board, we still didn't get the handover of our apartment. Everything else is completed, and once the electricity has arrived, we will get the handover, and after that we will be starting with our interior work. Right outside our apartment, there are fruit shops, Paramudir Nilayam, supermarkets, and all famous restaurants are also there at walkable distance. Even though the house is pretty moderate, Danton wanted to buy an apartment in a very good, well-developed area so that I won't have much difficulty when he's sailing. After finishing interior discussions, we went to Anjapar Hotel to have our lunch. This is the first time I'm going somewhere after 6 months, and I was surprised to see that everything has come back to normal. There were lots of families visiting hotels and other places. We went to this restaurant at around 1 p.m. and so you can see that the tables are pretty empty, but by the time we left, the hotel was almost full. This was our hotel lunch. After a very long time, we ordered chicken stuffed Ceylon egg paratha and natukori chicken curry, fish fingers, butter naan, mutton kottu parota, and that's all. I think we asked for a few more items like fried rice and ice creams and all that, but all those items were not available, so we stopped with this. The next stop was Brown Tree, which was also close by and at a walkable distance. So the Anjapar restaurant said that they do not have any ice cream. My mom wanted to have ice cream badly, so we went to this shop called Brown Tree. This is the first outlet I visited, and I was really impressed with their collection. They had some export quality spices and dry fruits and nuts. Look at the size of the cardamom, guys. It's so big, and I'm sure it's really flavorful. Though it might look like it's a bit costly, but the amount of spices that you have to use in your food definitely varies when you buy good quality stuff. You can just use one or two and your food will still be flavorful. That's what I felt. Blueberry, cranberry, blackberry, plum, தள்ளிக்கோங்க.
மிக்சர் வச்சிருக்கிறாங்க நீ வாங்க.
Honey, amla honey, mixed dry fruits honey, gulkand honey. This driver took good precautions. He had covered the front part and the back portion of his car with this transparent plastic sheet. He also gave us hand sanitizers as soon as we entered his car, and he was wearing a mask throughout. Hi guys, just came home, had a good outing after a very long time, had a good lunch, had good ice cream, really happy, had good amount of change after 6 months. So in my upcoming videos I'll be showing you the house plan and how I'm going to decorate it and what colors I'm going to give the rooms, etc, etc. So stay tuned to my channel. I'm going to go for bath now and change my clothes. I've already sanitized my phone, my purse, washed my hands, so all that is done. Now I'm going for a bath. Take care, bye bye.